Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn.
Hi loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Derrickris. They're an Amazon store. This is what their packaging looks like. It comes with a pair of lashes, a wig cap, as well as an extra pair of elastic bands. I'm now checking to see if there's any shedding. I'm not getting any shedding at all, as you guys can see, and the hair is very silky. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with 4 combs and an adjustable strap. I'll make sure to leave everything linked down below in the description box, so if you guys are interested, make sure you check that out. So as you guys can see, I already prepped my hair and I already cut away the excess lace from the wig and taped the wig as well. So let's just go ahead and install. So for install today, I'm going to be using the Kiss Almighty Lace Bond Glue, and I did do 2 layers of this, but I only did 1 on camera. And after I did the layers of glue, I'm going to go in on top of that with my Got To Be Insta Hold spray, and then I lay the lace on top of that, as you guys should be seeing in a few. So yeah, as I mentioned before, I went in with my Got To Be Insta Hold on top of the glue, and then I took my blow dryer on cool hair before I laid the lace down. After I laid the lace down, I went in with my tail comb and pressed in the lace. Then I go back in with my blow dryer on cool hair, and in order for me to get rid of the white cast, I went back again on top of it with my Got To Be Insta Hold across the entire hairline.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness.
Now what I'm practically just doing is just sectioning out the portions that I would love to use as my baby hairs. You can skip this section if you're not a baby hair fan. To melt it further, I went in with my Sebastian holding spray and my elastic band. To lay my baby hairs, I'm actually using my Eco Styler gel, and after I finished laying the baby hairs, I went back in again with my elastic band. Now I'm going in with my She's a Bomb wax stick as well as my hot comb to see if I can get the top of the lace as flat as possible as I can get it. And then to seal in the ponytail, I went ahead with my Got To Be spray to seal in everything. Then I practically just get my flat iron and straighten the hair. I must say this hair feels really nice, and you can get it as sleek as you want, but I wasn't going for that sleek look. I just basically just ran the flat iron through it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ali. Go and big up yourself.